The world's windiest beach. So dangerous, sinking sand and mud. Strong currents, unsuitable for bathing. So a beautiful beach to bring your children to.
No, it isn't.
Let's go and have a look.
It is, but
See what we got.
I'm going away.
I know. Let's see what's over this hill. Holy moly. Oh. Let's go and see if we can find this shell line, shall we?
When you touch it, you disappear into a bit.
Why are you speaking so loud?
Come on. It's windy.
It's windy.
I can't hear you. Oh, there's so many drops.
Why is it so windy? Oh my golly gosh.